In this video, I will show you step by step how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify on your phone. So there's basically 7 steps that you want to go and take. First is to open up the Shopify app on your phone and to go to the App Store. To do that, click on the 3 lines in the bottom, scroll down and click Apps, and from there click Show All Apps. Now here the one I would use is DSers. It's probably the most popular one and they have a very good free plan. So just open up DSers. They also have a perfect score of 5 stars out of 5. So now just go and click Install. And again, confirm by clicking on Install. And then just, if you already have an account, just sign in. If you don't have one, just create your DSers account. Then you need to select a plan, so just go to Basic if you want to use the free one and click Get Started. Next you need to connect AliExpress, so right here where it says Link to Suppliers, click AliExpress and then click on Login or Register if you don't have an account. Then it will redirect you to AliExpress. From there you're just going to sign in using your AliExpress account that you want to use for ordering. Now after you do that, head back over to DSers and just click Authorize and then sign in again. And after doing that, it will then take you to the next step, and now what we can do is actually find a product on AliExpress. So to do this, simply open up AliExpress and find a product you want to sell. For example, if I want to sell this one, what you want to do is just take the address and copy it. Then go back to DSers and click on the 3 lines in the top right, and from there click Import List. And now here simply click on the bar right there and click Paste and then Search. It will then find the product. Now just gonna select it and then you can click Push to Store and then make sure it's the correct store. Then you can set your settings right here, then click Push to Stores. And now it's pushing the details of this product to my Shopify store, so it's taking the variants, pricing, images, description, etc. So just wait for this to finish. And now you can see it has been pushed to my Shopify store. So if I now open up the Shopify app and go to products right here and then just wait for a few seconds, you can now see it has been imported. If I click on it now, you can see all the images and details and all of that has been imported, as well as the pricing right here. Now I can just change the pricing if I want. You can also see the colors, and people can now order this once you have already set up your payments and all of that. And what's important to know is when you get an order, so the customer places an order on your store, then you need to go to DSers to fulfill. So simply open the DSers app or DSers via the browser on your phone. You will then see the Shopify order listed. So if you go to the 3 dots, if you now go to open orders, you can then find your orders for AliExpress. And then here you can then place the order on AliExpress. Now if you have a more premium plan, then you can automate this, but just make sure to check this when you get an order so that you can go and pay for it, and then it will be shipped directly to the customer. So now you know how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.